We'll guide you through how to change your Gmail account name. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log into your account with your current email address and password. Once you're in your inbox, look at the upper right corner of the page and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Now, go to the Accounts and Import tab, which you'll find among the options at the top. In this section, you need to look for the Send Mail As category. Next to your email address, click on the Edit Info link. A new window will pop up, allowing you to change your display name. Enter the new name you want to use. Make sure this is the name you want others to see when they receive emails from you. Once you have typed in your new name, click Save Changes to ensure it updates. It's important to note that changing your account name does not affect your email address. Only the display name changes, which is what recipients see when they get your emails. If you decide you want to change it again later, you can always follow these same steps. This is great for when you want to update your professional image or correct any errors in your name. Make sure to double-check everything before you save, so you don't have to repeat the process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.